If you are a true street food lover, today is going to be a treat because we're making not one but 3 irresistible chaats at home. First up, Dhokla Chaat. For this, take some soft dhoklas and chop them into bite-sized pieces. Now add creamy curd, spicy green chutney and tangy tamarind chutney. Now toast in some chopped onions and green chilies for crunch. Season it with salt, red chili powder, chaat masala and a pinch of amchur. Mix everything well. Now finally top it with nylon save, fresh coriander leaves and juicy pomegranate seeds. Your sweet, tangy and spicy Dhokla Chaat is ready to serve. Next is Palak Patta Chaat. Now prepare a thick batter with gram flour and spices. Now dip fresh palak leaves into the batter and deep fry till golden and crisp. Once fried, place them on a plate and drain the extra oil. Now top the crunchy palak with chilled curd, green chutney, tamarind chutney, onions, tomatoes and save. Your crispy chatpata palak chaat is ready to be enjoyed immediately. Now finally, sweet potato chaat. For this, heat some oil in a pan for shallow frying. Now add boiled chopped sweet potatoes and fry till golden. Now take them out in a bowl, then add sweet chaat chutney, coriander mint chutney, curd, cumin powder, red chili powder, pink salt, pani puri masala and chaat masala. Mix everything together. Now top it up with pomegranate seeds, chopped onions, crispy saved and crushed puris. And there you have it, your delicious sweet potato chaat. So whether it's soft and tangy dhokla, crunchy palak leaves or golden sweet potatoes, these chaats will surely add that street food magic to your home. For more such easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Times Foodie.